They said Vpayfast is back. We are now back. Thank you for waiting. Hi, due to previous business upgrade. Now, like I've said before, now they are doing an upgrade on their website. Okay, so they said due to an business upgrade, we are being suspended for a period of time. Now, this is another question. Why are they suspended? Is it the government of China that suspended them, or the agency that backups what they are doing? Guys, you're welcome back to the family. You're welcome back to the community. If you're a first timer and if this is your first time of seeing my content, this is Samuel Joshua and we call 𝐻𝐨 Logistics. So what you want to do to join our community is to subscribe, like the video, and also share it. Okay, and if you're a return subscriber, thank you guys for staying connected. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Okay, so earlier this year run, we all had an issue with Vpayfast. We all had encounter with this website called Vpayfast that we used to fund our Alipay. Vpayfast, we all know what they does. They help us fund our Alipay account while we pay them at official rate. I think as at when using this, they normally charge us around 90 naira per yuan, right? This back in the days when we used to use them. But the sad news is that earlier on this year, you can see the date on my screen right now, 2023, the 5th, I think that's around May 31st, we don't have access to this Vpayfast. And it is saddening to us to hear this, because we heard that Tor card is no longer working. Even though we try it, we don't have access to it, and we get it complicated. And only Vpayfast is the website that can help us buy this yuan to our Alipay. They help us to fund it just to bypass the exchanger's rate, right? But all for us to see, when we type Vpayfast on our browser, we encounter this. You can see that they are telling us that they had an ongoing maintenance on their website, that hopefully they'll be back any moment from now. So we just have to, we are really sad with this news, that a lot of people contact me that what is going on with Vpayfast. I also have to reach out to them, their customer service. They have to tell me via their email. They told me that they are presently doing an upgrade in their services, and I keep on checking this website back to back. Not of recent why I have to try it again. I'm very glad now that our services are recently back. Okay, so now I'm going to be refreshing this page where you are going to be seeing that we now have Vpayfast back. All right, so let me refresh this page now. You can see that I'm trying to reload this page now for you to see that I'm demonstrating this in a live tutorial. So you can see that this is Vpayfast now, and you can see that we are glad that this website is now back. Okay, so now the next question that will come to your mind now, that Vpayfast is back now, are they now back with buying RMB, paying services, and recharge services? Because that is what we know Vpayfast for. Recharge services. They help you recharge your TikTok if you want to buy coin, if you want to buy TikTok coin, if you want to buy different coin. And they can also help you recharge your WeChat, fund your Alipay account. Now the question is, are they back funding yuan? Is their paying services back? Now if you are very consistent with Vpayfast, you will know that sometimes, all right, they will remove that paying services from their websites. Only those people who have the paying service that can only use this website, right? Now we are to take note, this, before that time they have been doing the upgrades, but they don't want their website to be down. That's why they are removing the paying service, and that does not define that it's not working. It is perfectly working. Then, as a matter of fact, I even do a lot of transaction with this guy, and I have one of their staff contacts. Then I've forgotten this guy name now, that gives me updates. So now, since their website is back, I was trying to survey their website. Okay, how do I buy yuan back? How do I get paying service? Now the method we use, we come to product here. Clicking on products, we are going to be seeing paying services around this corner, right? If you have to click on it, it's going to show. All right, let me just wait for this guy to load. I think this is my internet now. Yes, around this corner we should see something like paying services there. If you can't find, let me go back. If you are to click on what's it called, this search icon here, we are to see paying services here. This is where we found it. Even as at when they remove it, we can still use their link to buy, to recharge our Alipay directly, right? But the question is, why is it not showing up again? Are they not using paying service again? What is wrong with them? I was baffled enough. Now let me log into my account. Now let me try to log in on my account. I want to show you guys something. Login. Let me click on login now. So guys, I've already logged into my account. Now let me click on my order for you to see that I've done a transaction with these guys. If they are still going to be having the records, because I think with this upgrade now, I don't think, if okay, so you can see that these are services that I've done in the past. Oh, I wonder why this is not showing right here. So I think they've cleared all the histories. But however, I was convinced enough to reach out to their customer service to ask what is going on with their services. Why am I not seeing paying service? Are they not using these paying services again? What is the news your customer need to hear? Now what I do is I now try to follow up both on here. I try to reach out to their customer services on here and on my PC as well. Now I follow up on WeChat to, because they have their WeChat in there. Now let me quickly show you that these services is still available on Vpayfast, but I'm now confused. Maybe they are still doing some upgrade on the paying service, or they are still trying to bring it out any moment from now. Now let me head over to my WeChat to show you guys something. Here comes my WeChat now. Now let me click on this Vpayfast hailing. All right, now this is the link, this is the WeChat that links to their on their website. I try to reach them out, but they are not saying anything. I have to go through their email to go and scan the barcode of their official page on WeChat, which brought out this first one here. You can see that I try to reach them out. I still not get anything from these guys. Now I click on buy now here. This is what is showing up. I click on services and I have this. I was confused enough to still do some more findings about this guy. I have to click on their profile here. Clicking on their profile takes me to this page. Now see their recent update, which is yesterday. You can see it yesterday. I clicked on it and I have to take my time to read these messages here. So this simply means this, they are doing these services. I'm 100% sure. Now this is this date as at recording this video, which is August 18, 2023. Now see this. This is an important news. All right. They said Vpayfast is back. Attention, please. All right, they said Vpayfast is back. We are now back. Thank you for waiting. Hi, due to previous business upgrade. Now, like I've said before, now they are doing an upgrade on their website. Okay, so they said due to an business upgrade, we are being suspended for a period of time. Now, this is another question. Why are they suspended? Is it the government of China that suspended them, or the agency that backups what they are doing that suspended them? Now this is the question we have to ask ourselves. Why are they suspended? Is it the paying service that makes them to stop? That is another question right now. So now to continue, they said maybe you are, or maybe you will be asking three questions. The first question is, are they scam? Like, is Vpayfast scam? The second question, are they closed? The third question, have they run away? That's the third question. This is their official site now. They said it is fake news and it is rumor. They now said my answer is rumor. That means that is not true. Now to furthermore what they are saying, now all businesses are fully resumed. Welcome to place order. Now they now said sincere apology to all the customers, so we decided to send a discount, please get and use. So they are telling us now that all these things are faked, that they are not scam, they are not running with anybody's money, and their services are not closed. Okay, so now they said this is the discount that we can use, all right, to place an order on their website. Now pay attention to this, pay attention to this. Quick order, quick order, you can now order. Now you can see this, we have this coin. For those who are using TikTok, if you want to buy coin, you can just make use of this to add it to your cart. Now scroll down to this page. This is why I am confused now. This is, where is this guy now? Where is this guy now? This read more, this Vpayfast, if you are to click on it now, it will show this their profile. They are verified on WeChat. Now let me click on this what they have here. I want to show you something so we won't be on a confused page. Now this is what they do generally. They said we can help you recharge the Chinese account, shop on Chinese website 247. Now recharge, they are still recharging. So if they are not recharging, we shouldn't have been seeing this we recharge. Remember, recharge simply means funding of Alipay account. So the question now is, why are they suspended? What is going on with their services? So I was convinced enough to still go and log in my account on the desktop version on my laptop to confirm if this guy are still running this program. You know, the reason why I'm here is to give you guys updates. We make a whole lot of research, having a sleepless night just to make this importation easy for you guys. So at this point, I don't have any reason for you to just decided not to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like the video, and also share it. All right. So I now go ahead in logging in on my desktop, on my laptop. I'm going to be sharing it on the screen right now. I chatted with their live customer care services. Okay, so once I chatted with them, they told me that their services is closed for now. Recharging services is closed. So I'm going to be sharing the screen with you now. Let's pay attention to the chat of this customer service. This is my chat today as at when recording this video with their customer service on Vpayfast. You can see that this is their website. You can see where we have Vpayfast there, and I was convinced enough to chat them. So you can see I said hello. He said, how can we help? And I said, hi, is your recharge services back? And let me scroll down this chat. You can see what he said. He said, what products do I want to recharge? I said Alipay, and she responded. She said our website does not have these services. Sorry. I said okay, and I said how long will it take for these services to be restored? I said, are you there? And she said no longer supported. So I think this is just the matter of time, right? So guys, you're welcome back. You can see that they said it is closed on their website for now. So we don't know what is going on right now. But however, I'm going to be keeping you guys updated on what station. If you have any suggestion or you have been trying it as well, and we so presently working on TalkCard. You know, I make the video on TalkCard on how you can also fund your Alipay account using TalkCard. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to be dropping it under the comment section. Research is also still going on the TalkCard as well. So we want to make importation very easy for you guys, and we want to make sure that we are bringing importation business to your doorstep. So you are not going to be making use of any third party again. We want you to be doing these things yourself. All right. So if you want me to help you fund your Alipay account, you can reach out to me on this number, and I'm also available for procurement services on any Chinese website. So I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you guys for watching.